Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the game recording DVR on your Steam Deck. So the first thing you need to do is go to Steam, go to Settings, then scroll on down and we're looking for Game Recording. So you see Storage, you see Game Recording. And then we have to turn it on by selecting a setting. So it says Recording Off by default, and then we have Record in the background. Steam will automatically record video when you start playing so you don't miss those unexpected moments. The last 120 minutes of video will be kept in temporary format for you to replay or save as permanent clips. So you can decide if you want that one on. And then we have record manually. Steam will record video only after you press Control plus F11. And on the Steam Deck, I believe if you're just playing handheld mode, you press Steam and A at the same time. That will start and stop the recording. So you can decide which one you want. You can go into this one. And here are the different shortcuts. So this is a timeline marker, so you know where you want to go ahead and save it. And then we have all games, and you can change the recording length if you don't want it 120 minutes. Maybe you just want it 60 minutes. And that's going to lower the amount of disk space needed. Add game-specific settings right here. And then you can just look at all these different options. Audio recording for the microphone. Max frame rate, I believe 60 is the max. Okay. So you can add timeline markers, Steam plus A. So here's record manually. Here it is. The shortcut for stop, start, Steam plus A. And then you can just go to this and hit the shortcut button. So just come to this section and decide which one you want. I usually just record manually so I can start and stop it when I want to. And then I am good to go. But the DVR function is nice if you know how to use that and get used to using it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.